Hey viewers, welcome to the Excel Tips and Tricks channel. Today, I'm going to show you how if statements work in Microsoft Excel. Let's dive right in. Here we have a table with student names and their marks. We want to add a column that shows whether each student has passed or failed based on their marks. We'll consider 50 as the passing mark. If a student's mark is 50 or above, they pass. Otherwise, they fail. First, click on the Insert Function button, which looks like a little FX icon. This opens the dialog box. Here, we can type the if function in the search box, then click OK. The if function dialog box appears. Now we need to fill in three parts: the logical test, the value if true, and the value if false. Now we type. If the marks are greater than or equal to 40, then the student passes. If they achieve less than 40, they fail. After typing the values, press OK. Our result appears in the selected column. Now, to apply this formula to all the other students, simply drag the fill handle, the small square at the bottom right corner of the cell, down through the column. Each student now has their result displayed based on whether their marks. You can also use the if function from formula box, simply type equals, if then input the logical test. For example, if B2 equals 40. If the condition is true, type fail. If the condition is false, type pass. Press enter, and your result will appear in the box. Then, drag the fill handle down to the end of the column, and Excel will automatically fill the cells with the results. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please share it with your family and friends. Thanks for watching.